hope everybody's having a great week so far. Today we are going to talk about some food and cooking food, specifically for the southeast Michigan area. Detroit is famous for their Coney dogs. We know Jackson has them out there as well. They do their own version. We're going to work on making a Detroit-style Coney dog today, though. So first we're going to need a few ingredients. Most importantly, we're going to need hot dogs, right? Mm-hmm. We're going to need some, what?
Hammer chill.
Was it Hormel chili? We're going to need some chili. We're going to need some diced onions. Mm-hmm. We're going to need some mustard. And last but not least, we're going to need
strawberry honey.
Some hot dog buns, right? You pointing that at me? Okay, make sure I'm on there. All right, so I'm going to do one of my cardinal sins, which is cooking a hot dog on the stove. I prefer to use a grill. We're not going that route today, though.
Yeah.
So I'm going to need 2 pots over here. I'm going to need one to cook my hot dog in. I'm going to need a second pot to cook some chili in. So I'm going to get started on the chili first, because I think that's going to take a little bit longer. And I want to make sure I want to put my burner on a, can you come over here, bud? Mm-hmm. Bring the video. I want to go with a medium to low heat. I've got low all the way to high on here. And high, just underneath high, I got a number 9. I'm going to go to about a 3. Get that burner at about a 3. And I'm going to take my chili that I've already opened. Right? Are you showing the can, buddy? Right? I'm going to add that to the pot. Looks like I'm going to need a
can opener.
Nope, I already got the can opener. I'm going to need a spoon. Let's step back. Watch where you're shooting that. Shoot me, not the floor, not the counter. Thank you. All right, so we've got our chili in there. It's going to look like that.
Wow.
And we're going to heat that up. We don't want that to burn, so we're going to need a spoon. Mm-hmm. We want to keep that moving. Don't let it sit for too long because it will burn. You do not want burnt chili sauce.
And you do not want hot chili.
So we're going to keep that moving. Can you see the pot, buddy? In the video?
Yep.
Remember, you got to look at the camera. You're the cameraman, right?
I'm the cameraman.
All right.
Just like on YouTube.
Keep that moving. Stir that around. Get that all broken up, smooth out in there. Put that back in the burner. Next, we're going to get our hot dog going. Okay? Mm-hmm. Would you like a hot dog?
Yeah, with no chili.
No chili dog?
I don't like chili dogs.
Mom, would you like to split a chili dog with me?
Only Saw likes chili dogs.
No. I'll throw 2 hot dogs in here.
Only Saw likes chili dogs.
So again, I'm going to go with a medium heat over here. I'm going to go about a 3-4, about the same number I've got my chili on. I'm going to add these hot dogs to a little pot here. You see that, buddy? Mm-hmm. Can the camera see that, buddy?
Oh.
Yeah, you got to do the camera.
Chop it down. Chop it down.
I'm going to add a little bit of water to that because I don't want these to burn. It'll help even out the cook a little bit. Just a little bit of water.
Create some smoke.
Just enough to get a little water on the bottom there. You see that?
Yeah,
right.
I can see it.
And we're going to let that cook. We're going to let those 2 things
Oh,
cook.
that smells so good.
And we're going to have to keep our chili moving. We do not want that to burn. Okay? Keep your chili moving and watch your hot dogs. All right. Mr. Cameraman, you know how to pause that? Nope. There's a pause. All right. So we're going to come back in a few minutes. We're going to continue cooking. Right now, we're just going to let these hot dogs go. We're going to let the chili go. It's moving, though. So I'm going to stand here and keep whipping this chili up. And we'll be back in 2 minutes. Pause, my friend. Are we going?
Yep.
All right. So we're back. We want to have a plate ready with what?
Hot dogs.
Hot dog what?
Bun.
Hot dog buns. We want to have our buns ready because when our hot dogs are ready, we're going to put them inside of the bun, right? I think we're looking at our food over here. Want to bring that camera over, buddy?
Yep.
Thank you. Let's look at our hot dogs. They're cracking open. See that?
Yep, they can
Where'd
see
it go?
There.
There.
The weenies.
All right, so those are ready. Look at our chili. It's bubbling. I've been stirring it.
Ooh, that chili.
I've been
Smells really
stirring
good.
it. It's ready. So, let's start plating our food. I'll get myself a fork. It'll make it a little easier getting the hot dog out of the pot
I'll try some chili.
and into the bun. You're gonna try some chili?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, so we got a hot dog. We put it on our bun. Pull our other hot dog for Emmett.
Put
that
some chili on
in
it.
the bun. Next, I'm gonna actually put the chili on it, okay?
Yep, on both of the bars.
On both of the hot dogs. So I'm gonna get a little spoon.
Okay, I'll get a spoon.
You get a little spoon. Nope, you videotape me is what you need to do. Thank you. And you're just gonna slowly pour that on from front to back. And you might need to add a little bit more depending on how much or how little chili you like on your Coney dog.
Or big chili.
Big chili.
Yeah, like some people pour big, like a lot of chili
Oh,
on
they
it.
just like cover it.
Yeah,
I don't like it covered. I like
I like it a
a
little.
fair amount,
I'll try a little.
not too much. All right, so I got our chili on there. Next, I'm gonna add some onion.
Onions.
Can I dice my onions?
Not on mine.
You don't want any onions on yours?
I don't like onions. They
Alright.
make me cry.
They make you cry.
Yeah.
They don't make me cry. I do get a little teary-eyed though, sometimes if I'm cutting them up. It'll affect me. But I cut my onions pretty small.
They didn't.
You didn't see it? You need to show it again?
Yep.
All right. I cut them into little pieces like that.
Like
And I'm sorry I didn't show you how to do that because I had already had a bag of diced onions because I enjoy a hot dog once in a while. And we had a bag laying around and I needed to use some up. But there are plenty of videos out there if you don't know how to dice an onion that'll show you how to do it. You just gotta make sure you're safe because you are cutting with a knife, okay? So me, I like onions. I like lots of onions. And I spread them out all over my hot dog or my Coney dog. Just like that.
like that.
Okay. And last but not least, I'm gonna add some mustard.
Mustard on yours,
Would you
except
like-
for mine.
No mustard on yours?
No mustard.
Okay.
Mustard chillo. Yeah.
And I gotta give it a nice slow squeeze because this thing, I swear, it comes out so fast when I don't want it to. There it goes.
There it goes. Look at
And
that
there you have a
mustard.
Detroit style Coney dog. How's that looking in the picture there, bud? You're not even showing the actual finished product. There we go. Got a little sloppy on the side there, but a little onion, a little mustard, some hot dogs, and some chili. Let's thank our cameraman, Mr. Emmett. What do you say?
Hi.
Say hi and bye,
Bye.
and you're gonna enjoy your what?
Hot dog.
Detroit style Coney dog.
Mama.
Go make yours. I want to see some pictures of your food and post them online, and I want to see how delicious it looks. I'm gonna go enjoy mine right now. Bye.